Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm Kenny, your host, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at, chart of the market. These are intraday dynamics. And we're looking at the E-mini S&P 500 futures, the E-mini contract. Currently looking at a print of 1279, 1280. The market's come down for about 2.5 days after topping out on Monday's mid-session. We did see a high of around 1312, 1315. Midday Monday, full bullishness, of course, bullish, 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 leading right up into that top. Started to decelerate, obviously here a little bit, and we did get some pricey chop movement. The trend started to roll over. What was going to happen? Well, we didn't really know until we got to open in the next day's session, which was a lower move open. The new downtrend in terms of price, and we did have these divergences. Obviously, we had been trying to hold on to some bullishness here. This was fully bullish. That was bearish. We did get the market move higher, so it negated this. We got agreement the very following day, but again, this divergence here suggesting some cautionary indications on where price might go. And we got the full divergence here on this day, divergence here, and fully bearish here. And what do you get? You get a consistently lower move in terms of price with a close pretty near the low of the day, certainly in the lower echelon of the day's trading range. And then we get a lower move open today and some lower price movement, down 12 points on the mini S&P. And although we are seeing some bullishness here in this indicator, stronger than that, arguably a divergence. We are still getting negative indications from this indicator. These are proprietary indicators, but we are seeing a little bit of green there, a little bit of neutrality here, and lo and behold, we are back at the trend. So obviously this is a good selling point in the market. Where do we stand? We certainly are bearish on the intraday, although much of the move has gone through. We would be still selling the market at 1280 from a discretionary basis unless this trend moved over to the upside. So there you have that. Let's look at our intraday dynamics. We'll go ahead and switch over to look at chart of the daily. And we'll move that over a little bit right there. And so we have a chart of the daily market. This is a very interesting setup. We just have a nice ascending wedge here. We did try and break up out above this horizontal support resistance in concert with our very key measure of trend following support resistance on the daily chart. Didn't quite stick. Actually got a mid to low level ET sell signal, which is a pretty good sell signal. Obviously wasn't too impressive, but we did get that yesterday on the close, with the close below the open and in the lower portion of the day's range after coming off of a surge, and particularly a failed breakout attempt above not only this key measure of trend in the intermediate term, but above this horizontal support resistance level right here. So this is setting up around 1290 to be a very key sell level of support resistance. But we do have this nice uptrend in terms of price, so we will be battling that. It won't be easy, but 1260 to 1265, the market can go as low before encountering this nice level of uptrend support. But it's just really a choppy phase right now in the market. So still short-term bullish in terms of momentum. Intermediate term neutrality we have in terms of directional movement, fully neutral in all perspectives and time frames. In terms of trend, we are still holding on to our official bearish bias on the market. So obviously you'd be selling any of these moves into the round level of 1300, 1295 in terms of trend and this resistance. So definitely sellers here, and that's what's happening to the market. We're going to go ahead and look now at a couple of our systems. Well, how do you make your way in a market like this? And that's our day trader 9.0 that trades the ES. Here's our YM. Beautiful traders right there in a nice short setup right there. Swing system 7.0, a little choppy there. 6.0, still holding on to a long setup. 7.0, booking some winners. Day trader 8.0, we just looked at. We'll go ahead and scroll through these. Swing system 5.0, just nailing every turn, as has been the case. Just nailing every turn. Just an incredible system. Buying there, profits, selling short there, profits, buying there, profits, selling short there, profits, buying there, profits, and short again at 11,700. for a gain of 250 points roughly in the YM contract, the Dow. So just continues to just simply be an outperformer. The grind ES, grinding out profits, a little bit choppy there it was. Serious component of our dual day trader, which a lot of you are participating in nicely. Sorry about that little interruption there. Beautiful winner there, another nice winner there, another winner there, and another nice short side winner here today. Day Trader 5.0 just nailing every single turn, just winner after winner after winner after winner. This is, of course, the other component of the venerable dual day trader DS. Dow, D stands for Dow, of course, and the S stands for S&P. So just winner after winner after winner after huge winner, 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 winner. That's certainly reflected in the recent performance of the dual day trader, which we'll go ahead and actually switch over to now. We'll pull up a look at just where we've been. Where's our day traders? Where have our day traders been? We'll just pull that up real quick and we'll scroll over to today's performance. Here's today's performance of our black portfolio. Last little snapshot, up $9,000 for our venerable black portfolio, our most diversified portfolio, our $100,000 portfolio. So a nice little 10% gain of $9,000. You see some nice little sales there. But from a larger perspective, the rest of our portfolios, dual day trader, as you saw both those nice winners today, currently up 12%. Swinger DT up 12% on the day. This is at midday on Wednesday. And there you saw the black was up around $9,000. So very impressive winners. But you go back and you look over the last 17 days, the performances of these portfolios, and the moves are simply staggering. The dual day trader DS, just an amazing 158.7% gain as of midday today over the last 17 trading days. Excuse me, the MapDT version 2.0 up a staggering 130%, not in a year, not in even a month, but just in 17 days. So just an amazing return that we've had. You can go back and look over a few of the days that we've had. There's just today and yesterday. Had a very impressive day on Monday. I'm sorry, Friday was a very impressive day. The MapDT gaining a whopping 39.25% on that day. So the day traders just seriously outperforming the dual day trader, up 27.5%. So just winners after winners after winners. These portfolios continue to win, to make gains. And there we have the Map Black, one of our most diversified portfolios, up a staggering 92% over the last 17 days, $92,000 for a $100,000, almost a double for a $100,000 portfolio. So there's the winners that you see. I guess that's about it. If you guys are interested in subscribing to these portfolios, what you can do is you can go to the website and you can go to the dual day trader. Right there, if you're interested in that's the outperformer. Or we currently have a special on the dual day trader. If you buy 3 quarterly subscriptions, you'll get the 4th free. So just enter a quantity of 3, go to the dual day trader, go all the way down to the DS. Just go ahead and click on that and add to cart. The current special is $500 for 3 months, and just put in quantity of 3 on that, and you'll get a 4th free. And another special we have is for the MapDT version 2.0. Just go to the bottom. Actually, you can just go to the home page there and enter promo code VIDEO, and you'll save yourself an extra $300 for that portfolio. Hope you guys are having a great trading week. Hope this information has helped to you and helps you in your own personal trading, positioning of your own trades, and more importantly, if you guys have any questions, feel free to go to the website, chat with the support team live, or shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com, and we will see you next time. Have a great trading day.